Hey everybody, it's Pat Wilkins here with MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Got another beautiful brokerage listing to show you guys today. This one is a 2021 Carolina Skiff 21 LS. Boat's in beautiful condition. You can see the blue hull sides matching the canvas up on the T-top. This one's powered by a Suzuki 4-stroke 140, hydraulic steering, stainless steel prop, only about 84 hours on it with a fresh 100-hour service. Do a quick exterior walkthrough of this boat, and I'll hop up there and show you guys a little bit more of the features. Try and show you just how clean this boat is. See the reflection on the gel coat. This boat is bottom painted. It was kept in a wet slip here in southeastern North Carolina. Currently being stored in a garage, climate controlled. So really great condition. Not being beaten up by the elements. Upholstery still in perfect condition. Let me hop up there, show you guys some more. It does come with the trailer that you see here. Single axle aluminum trailer with those carpeted bunks, making it easy on you. Start here at the helm. See, it's got a touchscreen Garmin unit with the transducer, upgraded Fusion stereo unit, Bluetooth capabilities. Got all your switches, tachometer, speedometer, voltmeter, fuel gauge. Like I said, hydraulic steering, tilting helm. Nice Suzuki controls. The owners have installed a remote kill switch, which is nice. You don't have to have the lanyard connected to you. It's all done electronically. There's a little fob you can keep in your pocket, on your belt loop. You got storage up top and down below. Big amounts of storage here on this boat. Upgraded leaning posts. There's a cooler that goes down below. It gets bungeed in by the mesh liner. That is also included. Nice rocket launcher setup here, as well as on the back of the T-top. Got life jacket storage. And this canvas here. Moving forward, we've got fish boxes, port and starboard. We've got a fighting chair that when you remove all of the cushions, mounts in this center slot there. It's pre-wired for a trolling motor. So you'd have to get a trolling motor, have it installed, but all you had to do is put some batteries down below, hook them up, and then you can plug in and you're ready to go. Really nice diamond design on all the upholstery. Just quality stuff. This boat does have two live wells. One up front of the console, and then the second larger one is back here in the transom area. Really nice use of space here. Carolina Skiff does. Nice flush aft deck, but everybody's got to have a comfortable seat. So you've got flip up jump seats along the transom for when you're moving from spot to spot, trying to find the fish, or you're going for a cruise down the waterway and find your own little island to hang out at. Really clean boat, low hours, comes with the trailer. Again, guys, this is a 2021 Carolina Skiff 21 LS. Anchor locker. Just a good looking boat. Guys, if you have any questions about this boat, feel free to call me on my cell, which is 239-249-4345. Again, this is Pat Wilkins, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, showing you this 2021 Carolina Skiff 21 LS with the 140 Suzuki on the back. Only about 85 hours. The fresh 100-hour service, so she is ready to rock. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's get you out on the water.